What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I am touring Panoma 2 luxury apartments. So yeah, if you're excited for this content, man, hit that like button for me, hit that subscribe button if you're new to this channel, and also hit that notifications bell so you don't miss my content, man. But yeah, let's get started. This is the building, of course. It has a little valet loop. You have a restaurant right next to it called This. You can get some pho here and a couple more restaurants that way. But yeah, let's get started on the tour and then I'll finish showing y'all the neighborhood. This is the lobby. Okay, guys. This is pretty epic. Kitchen. Island. Desk wall. It's a 2-bedroom, I see. It's not even finished yet. Here's bathroom number 1. Double-sided. Bedroom number 2. Your private bathroom doesn't have a wall. I guess this is the master. TV view. And then your bed. This is crazy, y'all. Private AC. And then you're viewing the river out of here. While you're on the toilet, you can view South Marble Mountains, the river. Social Sammy makes jokes about how he likes toilets with a view. Shout out to Social Sammy. Yeah, this place is epic, y'all. This couch. This looks like a club in the air, honestly. You got this big full-size mirror. Balcony. The balcony is epic, man. Big sliding doors. You got a sliding door right there and one right here. And then crazy view. That's the beach side of town. This is all of the tourist area right here. All of the tourists are in here right now. And then Suntraw Mountains. This is viewing east. Then you got a washing machine right here. Okay, so how much is this one?
This one is 45 million a month.
45 million a month, okay. Wow, I like this one. Is this penthouse?
No.
No, not even penthouse, wow.
Penthouse just for president here.
Oh, okay. This couch feels comfortable, y'all. So I'm a floor up now. This is what the same Epic Suite unit looks like when it's ready. There goes the kitchen. Let's get a better look at the kitchen. The fridge has 3 doors. 1, 2, 3. Okay. You got a microwave, 2-burner stove. You have some cabinetry right here. No dishwasher. No built-in dishwasher. Comes with dishes already. And this one is the same price. $45 million. Here is a done version of the bedroom now. Books over there. I like that lamp right there. There's a company called like Lewis Posen who makes an expensive version of that type of lamp. Here is the Epic Master Suite now. This is how it really looks. You could be letting a lot of lighting in over here. You do have a TV already. And yeah, guys, you can see your bathroom with no wall inside of your master suite. And you can look at the city while you're in your bathroom. 2 robes ready to go. Sink right here. You can open both of your windows. Yeah, this is really cool. The master suite is epic. It is $45 million per month. And then you got this big mirror over here. All right. Goes the next one. 2-burner stove. Sink. Bathroom. Shower with half of a door. You got a wand and a rain head. Touch light mirror. Fridge, brand new. LG. A lot of cabinetry. That dining table right here. You can get a lot of lighting. Bedroom 1. Big closet. Storage space. Okay, no TV. Comfy couch. Beautiful view of the South River. LG TV. Then here's the master bedroom. No TV. Epic view. This window opens for you. Yeah. Closet. Yeah. This one's smaller, but it's probably cheaper. You still get the same exact floor as the first one. Yeah. Got a desk right here. Closet space. More up there. Okay. Let's check out the balcony now. Washer and dryer already ready to go. And this is your view. out of your balcony. Your balcony's smaller too. Yeah, if you guys didn't know, it's a roller coaster right there, that orange thing. And that's a Ferris wheel. This is south. All right. How much is this one?
Yeah, I think only 32.
32. Okay. This is the pool floor now, guys. It's on floor 3. Got like a desk worker over there. What's interesting is it looks like some private booths. I guess they're hot tubs. You're viewing west towards the city side. The only thing about Panoma is that the pool is not included in your rent. That's Panoma 1 right there. We toured that last week. Got some chairs right here with this epic view. I'll show y'all one more view. We got this view right here. View on the river. You can see people running, riding, walking. You can see traffic going by. But yeah, this building is super tall. It does have amenities. They're just not all included here. All right, so that was the tour for today, guys. I will give y'all a little bit more of a tour of the community now because viewers are finding this stuff informative and helpful in their decisions. So here we go. You got people over there eating. It's like a packed house over there. Let's see what else we got around us. This is how quick you reach the river from Panoma 2. There goes your parking garage access. And yeah, it costs extra, it's not included. I think here is 300,000. Got a restaurant over there with a lot of people. Maybe it's more people because it's Saturday. So maybe it's more people out here than usual. And they also may be building retail right here. Retail may be coming right here. Yeah. These are the vibes you got. This is Panoma 2. This curvature right here is where the pool was. And yeah, that's how high it goes. You have this I love Da Nang sign over there. You got a baby in a police car. More babies in cars. But yeah, I think this is still a pretty peaceful area, guys. The only thing that could ever make it loud is like the evening rush hour or the weekend. But all of the windows inside of Panoma seem to be very soundproofed. So that is the area of Panoma 2. You guys can let me know down below in the comments how you guys feel about this building. And I'm gonna tour more properties in the coming vlogs. So stay tuned for Da Nang Real Estate. I appreciate y'all watching this video. If you want a Da Nang masterclass or how to make money online to be an abroad nomad info, you guys can join my Benders community and be a part of our team. But yeah, with that being said, I appreciate y'all watching this video. You guys have a great coming up weekend, and I will see y'all soon in the next one. Guys, I just ran into CJ. You guys probably see him make content about Da Nang too.
Hey, what's up, everyone?
Yes, sir.
How's it going?
Yeah, we're documenting this place for y'all, man, and trying to help y'all figure out what the real estate is gonna be heading towards. So nice to meet you.
Yeah, nice
It's my
meeting
first
you as
time
well.
meeting him.
Yeah.
Lay y'all, man. Peace.